The man dripped 2 drops of mysterious liquid into the flower pot. The strange plant in the flower pot grew rapidly. Then he picked a fruit and fed it to the parrot. The next second, the parrot's body gradually grew larger, even sprouting a human head. Then he gave the parrot a command. The Magic Academy was about to start a new round of admissions. The parrot's mission was to go to the human world and bring back those with talent to the Magic Academy. Soon, the parrot selected a little girl named Ada. It took Ada to a place that looked like a gladiator arena. Then it started dancing in a strange way. Ada followed the parrot and danced along. The next second, she appeared in the magical world. All the plants here were red. There were also floating islands standing in the sky. In this world, Ada saw the legendary unicorns. She also saw dwarves from fairy tales, and even mermaids. This place was filled with strange creatures that could only exist in fairy tales. Then, she arrived at the Magic Academy. Here, she met classmates from all over the world. Just as they were happily playing, the parrot flew over. It told the students to drink the water from the fountain. That way, they could speak the language of the magical world. Then, it distributed a bracelet to each student. The bracelet could test their magical talent, but Ada's magic aptitude was only 8 points. This made Ada feel a little discouraged. At that moment, the headmaster of the Magic Academy crest descended from the sky. He told the students that there were no textbooks in magic classes. The greater their imagination, the greater their magical power. Then, he imagined having 3 hands. The next second, a 3rd hand actually grew from his back. Then, Cress raised his hands. Everyone was completely amazed. That day, Ada and her classmates were practicing magic to dispel clouds on the grass. Suddenly, a figure descended from the sky with a parachute. Ada ran over and discovered a little foxman. She immediately brought the foxman back to the Magic Academy. After careful study, Cress decided to temporarily take him in. But that night, Ada suddenly heard a wolf howl. Then, she saw the little foxman sneak into the fairy tale valley. This made Ada feel suspicious. She quickly called her companion and to search for the little foxman. The fairy tale valley had many doors. Each door led to a different fairy tale world. Ada and her companion opened one of the doors. To her surprise, she saw Snow White sitting on the grass. Snow White warmly invited Ada to taste the red apple. Ada immediately closed the door. Then, they pulled open another door on the ground. Inside, they saw Alice, who had fallen into a pit while chasing a rabbit. After that, they opened another door. Inside was a world full of dragons, but they still didn't find the little foxman. Then Ada opened another door. This time, they arrived in a snowy world. Here, they met the little match girl, and finally, they found the little foxman, but he seemed to be conspiring with the evil werewolves.